Hello everyone, welcome back to Upcoming Smartphones Hub. Today, we are taking a closer look at the all-new Tecno Camon 60 Ultra 5G, a smartphone that is expected to redefine the premium mid-range segment with its powerful AI features, flagship-level camera system, premium design, and long-lasting battery. Right from the first look, the Tecno Camon 60 Ultra 5G stands out with its stunning curved AMOLED display. The large screen delivers vibrant colors, deep blacks, and a super smooth 144Hz refresh rate, making scrolling, gaming, and watching videos incredibly enjoyable. Whether you're browsing social media or streaming your favorite movies, the display offers an immersive viewing experience. Performance is another major highlight of this device. Powered by a next-generation MediaTek Dimensity processor, the Camon 60 Ultra 5G is expected to handle multitasking effortlessly. Apps launch quickly, games run smoothly, and switching between tasks feels seamless. Combined with up to 16 GB of RAM and generous internal storage, this smartphone is built for speed and efficiency. Now let's talk about the biggest attraction, the camera. Tecno has focused heavily on AI photography, and the Camon 60 Ultra 5G is expected to feature a high-resolution main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS. The camera captures detailed photos with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. AI scene recognition automatically adjusts settings for the best possible shot, while night mode delivers brighter and clearer photos in low-light conditions. For selfie lovers, the high-resolution front camera produces sharp, natural-looking portraits that are perfect for social media. Battery life is equally impressive. With a massive 6,000 mAh battery, this phone can easily last an entire day of heavy use. Whether you're gaming, recording videos, or browsing the web, you won't have to worry about running out of power. Fast charging support ensures you can recharge quickly and get back to your daily activities in no time. Design-wise, the Tecno Camon 60 Ultra 5G looks and feels premium. The slim profile, curved edges, and elegant camera module give it a flagship appearance that rivals much more expensive smartphones. It's comfortable to hold and available in stylish color options that add to its modern appeal. So, should you buy the Tecno Camon 60 Ultra 5G? If you're looking for a smartphone with a premium display, excellent AI cameras, strong performance, long battery life, fast charging, and an attractive flagship design without spending a fortune, this device is definitely worth considering. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Upcoming Smartphones Hub. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest smartphone reviews, leaks, comparisons, and technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.